Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful weight loss video for you today. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose 15 pounds in 7 days. And this is extreme, you guys. Alright, so let me show you what we're working with today. Now we're going to be working with some bitter melon. This is an Indian vegetable and it's in the cucumber family. Okay, we're going to be using one today. We're also going to be using some ginger, lemon, some apple cider vinegar from Heinz. This is organic and it has the mother in it. We're also going to be using 2 cups of water. And lastly, I'm going to be using something that I just started using in my other video, and this is black seed with honey. Okay, this has the benefits of black seed oil but also with honey, and it is, I'm telling you, this is powerful. So we're going to be working with this today, okay, as well as a pan. Now I'm going to put my pan on the stove. For now, I'm going to put my 2 cups of water in my pan. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take my bitter melon and I'm going to cut this into pieces. Now this is freshly washed. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to put that in my pot. Next, I'm going to take my lemon. And what I'm going to do is, instead of squeezing it, I'm just going to cut it into pieces to get most of the extracts from it. And I'm also going to add that into my pot. Next, I'm going to take my ginger root. Okay, just de-skin that real quick. So now I'm going to take my ginger. And normally what I like to do is mince it, but I'm just going to chop it into really small, fine pieces. Okay, just to get all the extra juices out of it. But if you can mince it, that's even better. Like grate it. And then I'm just gonna let it simmer on the stove for at least 10 minutes. And now I'm just gonna cover my pot. And I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I am back and we are ready. Now our tea is cooled down a little bit. Alright, because you do not want it to be piping hot. We want to be able to put our honey in. So we don't want to destroy the natural enzymes in the honey. So what I'm going to do is strain this. And then what I'm going to do is put in 1 tablespoon of my apple cider vinegar. And then I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of flaxseed with honey. Now if you're wondering where you can purchase this, the links are down below in the eBay store. You will see all types of honeys. I'll get into that another time. All right, so we're going to put 2 teaspoons of that in there. Now, if you don't have this, you can still use regular honey to sweeten. Okay. And there you have it, you guys. And you're going to mix this in well because the honey in the black seed is solid. Now the black seed is going to change the water to a different color, but don't be alarmed. It's not murky. What you've done is you boosted this drink up even more with the black seed. Okay, and there you have it, this wonderful, powerful weight loss drink. Now what you're going to do is you're going to drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. And make sure that you eat very healthy light meals throughout the day. And do this for 7 days and you will shed at least 15 pounds. So there you have it, you guys. This wonderful, powerful weight loss tea. And it's delicioso. Okay. It's really good, but the bitter melon is bitter. Okay, so the honey is going to make it more pleasant. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me in this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Check below for the links for these wonderful herbs such as the black seed and honey, as well as some herbs to boost your metabolism, to boost your immune system, to lose weight. Okay, and this is a powerful tea. It's going to shed that water. This is like a diuretic tea, so you will be running back and forth to the bathroom. All right, so just expect it. And also, while you're in the links down below, check for the links for the NutriBullet full-size and personal-size blender, along with the metal straws that I've showcased on my prior videos. All right, and also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will get hair care videos, skincare videos, fashion hauls, vlogs, and more. And until the next video, you guys, don't forget, your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you again in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.